Alright, this is 5-4, Poisson, part 2. We're going to look at example 528. Now, if there are 200 errors per 500 pages, find the probability of having exactly, yes, just like the binomial, you're going to have to worry about at least, at more, etc. Refer back to the binomial on how to set those up. Exactly 3 errors on a given page. So first off, we have to figure out lambda. So lambda, I always figure out by making it a proportion. All right, lambda is the number of errors you expect, and we're looking at exactly one page. And we know that there are 200 errors per 500 pages. So now I just have to solve for lambda. In other words, lambda is equal to 2/5. All right, I could also write that as 0.4. Alright, now we're looking for exactly 3 errors, so x is equal to 3. On our calculators, because this is where we're going to do the work, alright, I have an exactly. I'm trying to find one value. If I'm doing exactly, I'm going to use PDF. If I was doing at least, or between, or more than, then I would use CDF just like I did for the binomial, just like for the stuff in 5-3. So, for the Poisson, I'm going to go to distributions, going to go down towards the bottom, and C and D I have my Poisson distributions. I want exactly, so that's going to be PDF, and the syntax goes lambda comma x. So our lambda was 0.4. Our x was 3. Ta-da! That's it. Now, you are going to notice the book is rounding in different places than where you may round. Same thing with what's expected on the computer. So just see which one matches the best when you round it. Again, the syntax is lambda comma number of errors. Lambda is the expected number of errors for the area that you're looking compared to the known number of errors per a known area. All right, when you look at some of the other examples, you're looking at the number of errors per 1,000 pages. I would put 1,000 down here instead of 1. All right, lambda is always going to be part of this ratio that we're comparing. All right, it's the number of errors for what you're looking at. We were looking at one page, so I had 1 here. I could be looking at 5 pages, in which case I'd put a 5 on the bottom. But we know that there's 200 errors out of 500 pages.